Old-fashioned creamy lemon pie is a classic dessert recipe that is loved for its rich, tangy flavor and creamy texture. It's easy to make, and I think it is my new favorite lemon pie. Let me show you how to make this wonderful pie so you can make it for your family. So let's get started on Darlene's table. This is my pre-baked 9-inch pie crust, which I did this morning. Then I've got a cup of milk, whole milk, and a cup of heavy cream together in this container. Half a cup of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Butter, 2 tablespoons of salted butter. Plain vanilla extract. 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch. 3/4 cup of sugar. And 4 large egg yolks. Alright, I'm starting with 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of cornstarch. Now mix this very well so you can't tell one from the other before you add your liquids. This prevents you from getting clumps with that cornstarch if you mix it this well. Alright, now in with the milk and heavy cream. I've mixed them together. Half a cup of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Going to cook this until it thickens up. See that? Like this. Remove it from the heat. And then we'll add a little of the hot pudding mixture to the egg yolks. Now really beat this. You don't want to cook those egg yolks. Alright, so I did that a couple of times, and then I added the egg yolk mixture back into the warm pudding, and we're going to cook this just a little bit longer. Add your butter. That's salted butter, and a teaspoon of vanilla. I think this is now one of my favorite lemon pies. And you can make this into a meringue pie if you choose, or just whipped cream. I'm going to smooth it out, and I'm going to put some saran wrap on top and put it in the refrigerator overnight to prevent a skin from forming. Now we'll remove it. This is the next day, and we're ready to have pie. It's so good. I know you will enjoy it if you make it. Old-fashioned creamy lemon pie is a classic dessert recipe. This recipe features a flaky pre-baked pie crust filled with smooth, lemony custard made from fresh lemon juice, egg yolk, and a hint of lemon zest. Heavy cream is added. It gives that filling a creamy, velvety texture. This recipe is simple to make and is a great way to impress your guests or treat your family to a special treat. So by now, you know you can find the recipe on my website, darlenestable.com. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if so, please consider subscribing. I try to post at least 2 times a week, sometimes more. Also, like and comment below. That really helps my channel. So join me right here on Darlene's Table.